Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how can you place an image in a text using Photoshop. Now let's start. First open the Photoshop and create the new document. Okay, here is the new document. Here we're gonna have a background and the text and the white text, and on top of the text we put some image. Okay, let's start. First I need a background, so what I do is pick the color, background color, and fill the document with the black color. Now I have the black background. Now I need a text, and let's put the text in white color. So I write it, for example I write Sydney, and with the move tool, this is on the top of this one is move tool. With the move tool, bring the layer in the middle. Okay, now I need to resize this text and make it little bigger. So for that one, press Ctrl plus 3 from the keyboard and then hold the Alt button and drag this one up like this. It will resize together with your length and height. Okay, once done, press the tick button on the top of the bar. Now we have a text here. Now that I need one image, go to File, Place Embedded, and the Sunset Sydney Harbour. Let's bring up. With this image, we need to display this image on this Sydney text. So resize this image again by holding the Alt button and resize the image so it covers the text. Now I can see that the image has covered the text. Now after that, press OK. It's done. Resize is done. Now go back to your image layer and right click on it and create clipping mask, or you just press the Alt button here and move your mouse cursor over this layer while pressing the Alt button, and you can see the drop down arrow with a small white box. Yeah, click this one. See, by clicking that one, you can see the images came on the text and with having the black background. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.